Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be installing the door lever with the deadbolt. That's right, we installed one here, one lever without the deadbolt, but for something more secure, when the entrance of the home you wanted to have a deadbolt on there. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see what's inside of here first before we install it on the door upstairs. Come. Definitely heavier than anything I've ever had when it comes to a lock that I've had on the door. I did order just one. There we are. Solid packaging, but does weigh a lot. Okay, because the door we're putting on is steel and glass, but oh wow. We got some nice bubble wrap happening to what's on there right now. I just hope it fits. If it fits, I will be even happier. Look at that. You can lock it like that, and then, oh, it is locked, so we can unlock it. Well, I guess we'll find out once we put it on. This is nice. It's a good solid piece. Check that out. So that's the outside, and this is the inside. Really nice. Should be a simple and clean installation. It comes with 2 keys. Oh no, 3 actually. So one for me, one for her, and I guess the kids will have to share when they come home together. Let's see what's inside of here. We've seen these before. We've done some lock installs, and we just hope and pray that everything will fit the way it's supposed to. Hopefully we don't have to make the hole bigger, and it should fit naturally. This should be a standard size. What you're looking at here is just like some stickers. But you know, this would basically go on, you would mimic the other part of the door when this part goes in, okay? It does have an additional plate here, and then it has the screws here. Really simple installation, but we're gonna show you how so that you can follow along, and you might want to have a similar experience, if not better. So come. All right, so here's the original handle we'll be replacing, which is this one right here. Got our lever right here. It's really heavy and solid compared to this one. So let's come inside. So what we're gonna have to do is remove this one here, and we're probably gonna put another des lock on this one. Remove everything from here first. There is, whoops. Take this one off. And I kind of like this one, this piece right here, because it's actually set and for this particular shaving. These screws on this side, there's a screw there and a screw there. We will be just fine. By hand, it can fall, whoop, yeah, fall off. And thankfully, we can turn it. Yeah, if it does, voila. See that? It's a little tricky, but you want to hold this in. Or you can leave the screws in and do that after, whichever works best for you. Okay, now, well, the moment of truth. So before we can put anything in, we have to make sure that this actually works. So we might, hopefully we could reuse, we can't reuse this piece because it's all one. A little bit of a bummer, and this one is a little bit bigger. Looks like it may have to be shaved, or maybe not. Take these screws right here, and we're going to put them in the side, okay? So we're going to do the deadbolt screws first, right in. See, we don't want to strip the hole, and there's 2. It's as even as it's going to get. Now, one side is the inside, and one side is the outside. The outside is where you have your key, and then we should be able to take it apart, right? Because just like that, you want this to go through that hole right there, okay? So we'll just put it in, voila. Oh, nice. You get some remnants of the old circular part, but we can always paint that later. We should be able to put the other one on this way, right through the hole. So now, we let go slowly, and then now we're going to grab 2 of the longer screws right here. These are 2 of the longer ones, and we'll just put one on the top, one on the bottom. You could use an electric drill if you want by locking our screwdriver. Whoops, don't break your stuff. In case you're wondering how it looks from the other end, like this. See, just make it so that it's tight, and as you tell, it's a steel door. This is really nice compared to before. Wow. It's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Kinda neat, huh? That's pretty much it. Kinda neat, right? Securing your home one door at a time, making it look just right and nice for you Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.